How would you like to create a gorgeous custom accent wall in just a little over an hour? Well, today in my Decorate With Me series, I've teamed up with the Royal Design Studio to show you how to go from this to this in just a little over an hour. And don't panic if you've never stenciled a wall before. It's really easy. I'm going to take you through some step-by-step instructions today. Or you can go to royaldesignstudio.com for some really great stencil ideas and how to stencil tutorials. Hey you guys, welcome back to the Millionaire House. Over the next few days, I'm going to be sharing a series with you on decorating our guest bedroom. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stencil a wall. Then tomorrow, it'll be all about how to style a bed. And then on day 3, we'll bring it all together with a full bedroom tour. So let's get started. Let's talk quickly about supplies. Royal Design Studio Stencils offers a ton of beautiful designer quality decorative wall stencils like the French bee trellis that you see here. And of course you're going to need paint. I used the Ralph Lauren metallic color that I used on the Prima's wall. I will put a link to her video in the description box below. The color is Golden Buttermilk. And to apply your stencil, you're going to either need a brush like the 2-inch all-over stencil brush you see here, or a foam roller. Foam is very important. You'll also need painter's tape, paper towels, and a level. The most important part to achieving a great wall stencil is making sure your first pattern is level. So once you have it level, you can get started and it really flows very easily from there. I also like to start in the middle of the wall because it balances out the pattern rather than starting in a corner. And with that, we are at tip number 3, which is how you are going to apply your paint. This is the first time that I've actually used a stencil brush, and I have to say I like it better than using a foam roller. It's just a matter of preference, but for me, there was less margin of error with the brush. Once you get the brush covered in paint, you want to offload like you see me doing here. And for kicks and giggles, I thought I'd add a timer to just make this a little more fun, and you can see exactly how long it took me to do this project. And one more tip about offloading, you guys, you want to make sure you don't skip this step. Offloading is super important because if you have too much paint on your roller or on your brush, it can bleed and cause a big mess. So you want your roller or brush to be almost dry. If you think you don't have enough paint on there, offload a little bit more. And here I'm sharing a quick time lapse of my progress. I stencil in a vertical direction rather than horizontally. And with Royal Design Studio stencils, they offer registration mark. And what that means for you is you can simply repeat the design very effortlessly by putting a layer over the next space as if you were putting together a puzzle. It's very easy and it's a lot of fun. And here you see it took me 1 hour and 38 minutes. I think I probably could have shaved off maybe 10 minutes if I hadn't lost my sunlight. But wow, what a difference, right? I love stencils because the sky is the limit. You can stencil anything from a wall to furniture to shower curtains to flooring. The list goes on and on. So this concludes part 1 of the Decorate With Me series for our guest room. A sincere thank you to Royal Design Studio for supplying me with this stencil to share with all of my awesome subscribers. And make sure you stop back tomorrow for day 2, how to style a bed. Until then, love and peace.